Hi everyone, are you looking for a fast and easy way to create a stunning AI generated images, art, and videos? Today I'll show you how to get started with Domo AI. Let's get started. First, go to your Google Chrome and search for domoai.com. Then, if you're new, click sign up to create a free account using your email or log in if you already registered. It is a quick and you'll be inside in dashboard in seconds. And once you're in, you'll see a multiple AI tools for image generation, upscaling, and even video animation. Choose image generation if you want a visual from text prompts. Then click on Create Image. Then type your prompt. For example, a futuristic cityscape at sunset in the cyberpunk style. Then you can choose your preferred style, aspect ratio, and then hit Generate. Then, in a few seconds, your image is ready. You can now download it and use it for your projects or share it directly online. Super easy. And that's it. You've created your first AI generated masterpiece with Domo AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.